Hey guys, Mayra with you here, bringing you your modern day minute, and I wanted to talk about 3 things that are so important for sellers when you're getting ready to list your home. Number 1, you definitely want to make sure that you take care of some of those pending repairs or things you've been putting off for a while, like the leaky faucet or the leaky sink and maybe a toilet that runs all the time. You definitely want to make sure you make some repairs before you list your home on the market. Number 2, you want to depersonalize and declutter. Organize your closets, organize your space. Find creative ways to put away some of those toys that the kids have lying around everywhere, and depersonalizing by maybe taking down some family photos and so when a buyer walks into your home, they can really envision themselves in that space. And number 3, curb appeal. Sometimes we neglect the first impression of our home, and we maybe can do some changes just as minor as putting in some potted flowers or a nice wreath at the door that's welcoming, or maybe it's a little more than that and you need to change up some of your landscaping. And I'm telling you guys, nice curb appeal goes a long way. It's the first impression when a buyer drives up to your home and says, wow, I can't wait to see this home inside. It's beautiful out here. It's very welcoming. So I hope this information is helpful for you. And if you have any questions about anything I discussed or what your home is worth, feel free to reach out.